In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video projects using simple color overlays through the background settings in your editing software. If you're looking to add a stylish touch or maybe give some personality to a video, this is a great method to start with. Let's dive right in and break it down step by step. First, you'll need to select the background video element on your canvas. Think of this as the foundation of your work since everything else is built upon this layer. Once you have your video set up on your canvas, it's time to navigate to the Style panel. This panel is your toolbox for all things style related, so it's always a good idea to get familiar with it. Once you're there, focus your attention on the background section. Here comes the fun part. Look for the plus icon and give it a click. This icon is essentially your gateway to setting up new background settings. And what we're interested in today is all about adding that unique color overlay effect. As you click the icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Overlay or choose a color, and make sure to set the background type to color. This is what allows for the creative flexibility you're after. Now that you've chosen to overlay or simply selected a color, you're going to want to customize it to your liking. Head over to the color swatch. This small but mighty tool is where you get to select your desired overlay color. There are endless possibilities, so play around with it until you find something that resonates with the mood or tone you're aiming for in your project. The next step is crucial for achieving the right balance. You'll notice an opacity slider available. This is your tool for adjusting how transparent or solid your overlay will appear. By sliding it left or right, you can control the opacity of the overlay. So if you're after a subtle hint of color, slide it towards the more transparent end. For a bold statement, bring it closer to opaque. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about what looks best for your project. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've just added a professional and personalized touch to your video. Video with a simple color overlay. The beauty of using this method lies in its simplicity and the depth it can bring to your creative projects. Whether you're going for a brooding, dramatic effect or a light, cheerful vibe, these overlays can transform your video element into something truly special. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different combinations until you find the one that perfectly suits your vision. Happy editing!